Hello everybody, today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use keyboard shortcut to open up any kind of program that you guys wanted to open on your Windows 10. So let's get started. So today in this test tutorial video, I'm going to be opening this Brave browser with keyboard shortcut. So let's get started. Alright, so before we even begin to this step, can you guys just like this video? Let's aim for 20 likes today. That would be really awesome. Alright, let's move to the next step. So let's set up for this tree program, or you can try to anything, so let's try with Opera first. So go ahead and click on properties. Guys, here is a shortcut key, so I will be using Control Alt O for Opera. So make sure to use Control O, else it won't be working. So that's why you need to use Control O. So I'm using Control Alt O for Opera and click on apply, and you guys are ready to go. So click on OK. Now do same thing with the Google Chrome. So in some kind of program you need a administrative privilege. So in this case it will need the administrative privilege to save this. So Control Alt G for Google Chrome. As you guys can see, you need to provide the administrative privilege. So just continue and it should be pretty much fine, and press on OK. So do same thing with Microsoft Edge. Control Alt E and apply and click on OK. Now I'm not pressing anything here. You can see the mouse is over here, so I'm pressing right now Control Alt O. It should launch me the Opera just like that. And once again Control Alt G for Google Chrome. There we go. Now Control Alt E for Microsoft Edge. And this is how you guys can do that. So check this playlist for more awesome tutorial just like this. And make sure to like this video and do not forget to subscribe if you guys are new to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.